Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an amazing day. Today, as you can see by the title, I am sharing my current curly hair routine that has been highly requested. And let me just, as a side note, let me tell you, I'm just obsessed with my hair. I'm obsessed with my color and my cut. I really vlogged when I got my last reset cut, so if you haven't watched that video, I'll link it down below. And yeah, I'm actually obsessed with my hair, how my hair is coming out lately, the technique that I've been using. And let me tell you, to achieve this result, I only use 2 products. I know. So if you are excited to know what techniques and what products I use, then keep on watching. I start with my hair freshly washed, and although I just washed it, it's a little bit dry, so I like to spray a lot of water before I apply any product into my hair, and that is just because it absorbs the products 100 times better. And this is my #1 product that I cannot live without. It's the best detangler that I have ever tried, and I just apply this all over my hair before I apply any product whatsoever. And the technique that I've been using that I'm completely obsessed with is actually brushing my hair with kind of like a diamond brush style brush, but it's really not. It's just one of those brushes that they sell at Marshall's. What I do is I brush my hair first, and then I go ahead and apply my conditioner. I am using Hola Advanced Climate Control, and let me just tell you, this combination is amazing. I follow up with a gel also from Hola, and it's from the same line, the Advanced Climate Control, and I do this throughout my whole entire head. I divide my hair into sections just to make sure that all the products are evenly coated with the same amount. And again, before I apply the product, I like to add a lot of water so my hair can absorb all the products together. And I actually was recommended this combination by Utopia Hair Salon. They used it the last time I was there, and I love how my hair came out. And the technique that I'm using today, it was actually, I tried it by mistake. I was brushing my hair, and then I wet it, and I saw how much definition it provided me with. And I'm actually going to show you up close and personal how I brush my hair and my curls come back right away. And all you have to do is kind of scrunch it, and then you will have this beautiful defined curl that I am seriously obsessed with. So the steps to this technique is basically you spray the hair with water, you brush it off, you apply the conditioner and the gel, and then you scrunch it. And I'm about to show you the most satisfying part of this video is when I actually hydrate my curls and I apply the right products. Look how my curls just bounce back. And it had taken me a year to get to this point. And again, patience is key. If you want your curls back, you need to be patient. You need to be dedicated to really have a routine. Try different products that work for your hair, because every hair is different. What might work for me might not work for you. And as you can see, my hair is still not perfect. I still have areas of my hair that are straight and curly, and one side is different than the other because one side is actually more curly than the other side, as you can see. And that is okay. You need to be happy with what you have and just enjoy the process. Once you start enjoying the process, that's when you're actually going to be happy with yourself. Keep it strong, keep it strong. New faith in darkness. I'll move on, I promise. I truly believe that the brushing technique and the Hola's conditioner and gel is what really provides me with this much volume and definition. Of course, I added a detangler just to make my wash day easier since my hair gets tangled a lot. And also towards the end, I do like to use an oil to just break the cast of the gel. And that is pretty much it. Again, you can use whichever products you have. You don't have to buy any other products that I mentioned on this video. I'm just showing you the techniques and the products that work for me. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed today's routine and you found it helpful. Let me know if you had tried any other products that I mentioned in today's video, and let me know your thoughts. Do you like them? Have you tried them? Have you not? That was all for today's video, and if you're new to my channel and you enjoy the content, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. The condition and the value that I'm getting every time I do. Come in. Cannot do a video in peace in this house. I can't.